The Black Forest, my favorite treat. Guys, there are tons of cooking channels online. This one is the real deal.
Black Forest cake, Forêt Noire in French, is one of the best-selling bakery items in France. Today, Olia and I are going to have so much fun to make your Valentine's Day very special.
I'm so excited because for the first time, I'm gonna make a flourless chocolate biscuit. I'm going to increase the speed and add a little bit more sugar.
Whip until stiff and mix in the egg yolks and continue to whip a few seconds more until just combined. Then lower the speed and incorporate the melted chocolate into the meringue mixture. Continue mixing until homogenized.
Now I'm going to divide this beautiful chocolate batter into 3 different pans.
If you prefer, you can also make individual Black Forest cakes using 2 small discs per cake. Bake flourless chocolate biscuit for about 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
It smells so good. Okay, so now I'm going to unmold the flourless chocolate biscuit. I am a little nervous about this.
Hey. Oh. All right, let's see. Ooh,
Yes!
that is beautiful.
I did it. So what are you gonna do now?
Well, I'm gonna show you how to saute and flambe cherries with kirsch alcohol. In a hot pan, saute cherries with sugar and cherry juice until the liquid in the pan has reduced to dry. Now, it is time to flambe. Watch out, babe.
So what are you making right now, Olia?
Well, I'm going to whip the cream with a little bit of sugar and vanilla extract.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
And by the way, for how long are you going to whip the cream?
You know, I don't know.
Well, whip until stiff. Be careful though, if you keep whipping for too long, it turns to butter.
That's so good.
To assemble the Black Forest cake, it cannot be easier. Place 1 cake layer on cake plate. Spread 1/3 of the whipped cream, top with some cherries, and add the second cake layer. Repeat layers of whipped cream and cherries. It looks like crap, but that's fine.
That's okay, that's okay. It's very fragile, but that's okay.
Let me tell you something, Olia. You did a fantastic job. And by the way, a large or individual cake can also be completely covered with whipped cream. Decorate with chocolate shavings and cherries.
This is my work.
Valentine's Day, it's about what? It's about love, therefore chocolate.
And champagne. Take this out, and I will need some assistance for this part. Believe it or not, guys, I made this all by myself with the help of Chef Bruno, of course, but I never would have imagined I could have made this, and I cannot wait to dig in. I think it tastes so great. You just taste the chocolate melting in your mouth. It's not too sweet. It tastes fantastic. I love this cake. Very easy. If I could do it, anyone can do it. Happy Valentine's Day.
So now we have those very nice cherries. They are actually called, I don't know.
Do it. Let's redo it. Because maybe I don't know.
You? Yeah. That's hard.
I know. Don't punch me. Oh, okay. Oh man.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
It's going to be $20.
And don't forget to subscribe. By the way, don't forget to check out my fashion blog at loveolia.com. If you're looking for any fashion or style tips, that's the place to go.